say, you're full of so much mud on the internet. Why you never face your judgment when a judgment come for you?
There's no judgment there.
Why I'm tell her still you know. Destiny is a life form, destiny is a human. The mood wants nothing to do him.
No more to do him. Just take couple lick. Feel away him no? Come on. So, couple lick now and do a thing to him. Give people address.
He put out people address. He make people get fire from them work. The amount of things this little batty boy do, him torment, him sad.
Couple box and tongue, not a thing. All of
You
them
put out people address. You make people get fire from them work.
So him and the person did have something.
Him and Sean help him.
Or him and Sean have something.
Yes, and Sean go him yard and video everything, him address everything. You address already on the media now, because you like to put out people address.
Sean, why you do it?
He make people homeless, people not know where to live because him call people pan people. Him call people landlord and all them something there.
Why you do it, Sean?
Me not sorry for him.
Why you do it, Sean? Why you do it?
Somebody we make people homeless, not know where to live.
Yeah.
You call people job. You call people landlord. People use them like what you do? You like disrespect people, innocent pitney and all them something there. Like and watch the people come here, yeah, they lock up in there. Where you lock up in there for? Come out, man.
Man, I sleep.
Sean, why you do it?
And you believe, oh, I live in Switzerland, nobody can do me nothing. But so come to it, you live in Switzerland where you and somebody live the same place and them come for you. And where were you to be found?
Destiny in the room, hiding. Hiding from
you fuck with the
Sean.
wrong person. The wrong person you mess with. The wrong people them you go mess with.
The donkey in the room is hiding. Oh, clot. You find a blood clot, they think say the donkey feel like they could come in a grassland, come look for him. Fine.
They go on the farm. They go on the farm.
They go on the farm, the blood clot.
They go on the farm.
Oh God. Tell him about to you know.
Oh God.
So you come for life ever since? After
No,
that?
I don't see him.
You know he's super man.
They probably did their life when the people them depend them way. So they know, probably know saying they there.
They must say she's out the country.
Cheese.
She ever out the country.
Him, you mean him?
Why,
Yeah, read the comments, eh?
why the people them will have go there and know say out the country? Remember him ever depend lying. The people them gonna go there, them know say out the country.
You come like a Yu-Gi-Oh! Just man.
Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, see, I know me. And I told you no know me, sorry, I know me.
So in door did lock.
Yeah, the door did lock. Them test the door, it lock. Downstairs, he never did answer the bell, so somebody make the youth go up. When somebody a come out, they make them go up. You know, somebody a come out, so you just go in. Yeah.
Justice for the donkey. And they would feel like you live there, no? When they do that, you know, Shay, they would think you live there, no? Yeah.
I just get locked out or something.
Yeah, them think you live in there, so you are come out and you are going like you know you live there, you look for your key or something, you just go in there.
Yeah, true. So see what you have to say?
You see alone.
They say that's
The last like one. GPS.
Last.
GPS now find the signal for see.
Yeah, man.
They find the donkey though. I wouldn't go find Pop's sister, man. Jesus Christ. Pop's supposed to vex too.
Boy, I'm glad say Sean not gonna put himself in no trouble still. God, a boy them out would make you put yourself in a trouble.
In get the boy in a whole heap of problem.
Oh,
In get him in a whole heap of problem. The boy help him and him get the boy in a whole heap of problem. Government problem, every type of problem, you name it. Him want go cut off him cock and go get vagina. Get the boy in a problem. The boy get doctor fee, make therapy, everything for him get help. Yes, him want to cut off him cock.
9 inch.
Him want crutches.
The cock in 30 and in 9, right?
Him want cut off cock, forget crutches.
you there.
With the boy not too much problem and all them something with people and the boy is like the boy not talk and you put the boy not be a problem.
Yeah, man, if you get it, man, if you get it.
I say, I'm sorry, say Sean never catch you. Would I want to see your mouth twist no blood clot? Would I get a video with your mouth twist? Again.
Well, no, where I go do, you know? I don't know how all of a sudden I talk about you love me.
Why people can't live good life short? When in my blood class scandal people, we never know life short.
That's what them tell me.
Sean help him when him going him go court what the when him go court what they win the case, you know. Sean help him, you know. Sean tell him to use back the video, you know. When them did that beat him at Jamaica, you know, forget back him 5 years in permit renew in a Switzerland, you know. When they got throw him out, Sean help him, you know, him ungrateful. The boy should pop your blood clot. Me want him catch you see? Me say me sorry him never catch you. Me say the same time me say I didn't want him catch you for pop your blood clot wing. You're too much.
See, you can't stand up. See your outfit.
A whole heap of time you get your little letter, you can't read them because you cannot talk the language.
Bumbuckler. Jesus.
And a Sean do everything for you.
Wrong sister, me pick.
You can't read the letter them will come in your yard in your mailbox because you don't talk Swiss German. So you can't read and him help you. I didn't want him pop your blood clot, you see. I didn't want him pop, I didn't want him catch you, you see. You want him blood clot catch you. My sorry, I never get a video when him pop you.
Eat that now.
Can't take stress. Tap the screen cause we pum clean.
Oh, see, man, now look here.
What?
Man, now look here.
No?
I lie. So then look me. Where you say?
What the one you say?
You don't know, say I saw him fuck around. We can't bother with him.
Why?
Real fish.
Him back, brother.